Hi there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with our latest craft workshop project to share with you. It is the Flora Photo Set, a lovely box measuring 10¼ inches by 7½. It's 2½ inches deep and decorated in papers from the Alice's Tea Party collection by Graphic 45. But as with all of our My Craft Workshop projects, they're designed for you to use your own papers. So this one is just decorated in 12 by 12 papers from the Patterns and Solids and the collection pack. So we take chipboard, card, signature black construction tape and a little bit of crafty magic and transform it into a fabulous project, suitable for new and experienced crafters alike, because I take you on a step-by-step journey from start to finish. So let's have a look at the project. So the box, as I say, is 10¼ by 7½ by 2½, decorated in one Patterns and Solids and one 12 by 12 sheet, with this lovely window that features one of the banners from the collection. You can decorate the front of your box however you like, but I took that banner and then did a little bit of fussy cutting and recut the rabbit out. He's actually stuck on the acetate window just to give some dimension to the proceedings, as they are all invited for tea. And then we've got a magnetic closure here that holds the box closed, and it's got 4 metal feet on the bottom. And then opening it up, it's hinged with a small ribbon, if you can see that. And then inside are 6 inserts. And the nice thing about this project is all of these inserts fit in the box, but the box can be adapted and all of the inserts can be made into an album. So if you prefer to have them in an album style holder, then we'll cover that in the class too. So let's take a look at the inserts. So there are 6 of them, decorated in slightly different ways, depending on how you want your photos to sit. So let's have a look at number 1. So this one is for portrait style pictures. We've got a landscape shaped picture on the front, but all of these photo holders will take photos in whatever direction you want to create. It opens out, and these are double holders in this one. So each of these flaps open out to give you 3 photos on the left, 3 photos on the right, and then 1 at the top up here. And again, you know, if you follow me, I love using paper clips. It means you don't have to stick your photos in. You can swap and change them about, which is always really nice. These close with magnets, and then underneath there is a nice long pocket, so you can pop a photo mat right underneath these 2 photo holders and put more pictures in there as well. And at the top here, this is also it's a double photo mat. It opens, but underneath you can push something as well. Let's find something smaller. So if you wanted to do some journaling, then you can slide it under there. And then that's held closed with a little paper clip. So useful. And then it folds up. And then on the back, we've got a nice deep pocket that you can pop your pictures in as well. The backs can be flat or with pockets. We cover both options in the class. So that's insert number 1, or photo holder number 1. Photo holder number 2, we are going to cover how to make acetate windows, and it's a great way of setting the scene for whatever's in your wallet or photo holder. Let's put Mum in there. And then opening up, this one inside is for, we've got 1 portrait and then 4 landscape style pictures. Again, these photo mats can be double. I've done singles, but they can be double. We've got a pocket here on the inside of that flap, and then behind these centre photo mats, we've got a large mat that pulls out as well. And then on the front here, we've got tuck spots for more photos or inserts. I might just want to pop a photo on there and then do some journaling over the top. So a lovely way of layering in all of your pictures and ephemera. And then on the back of this one, I've just left it flat so that you can stick your pictures in place on the back. It's nice to see them, isn't it? So that is photo holder number 2. Photo holder number 3 has 2 acetate pages. This one is for landscape pictures. So we've got 4 photo mats on the inside, 4 on the outside, and then that lovely centre area that you could create a scrapbook page for if you wanted to. And then on the back, again, I've left mine plain, but just put a little bit of detail at the bottom. But that can easily be created into or changed into a pocket. And then insert number 4 opens this way. So this is for your portrait style pictures. So you just put your pictures straight onto the photo mat. But the way it's layered, you don't see all of the pictures underneath. So if you pop your pictures in and then close, they're all layered over each other. So again, a lovely way to present memories of an event. And then we've got a nice area in the centre. Close it all up, and then on the back, it's just a nice large area to put whatever you fancy on. And then we have got one that's got a belly band. Belly bands can be added to them all, just to hold them all closed if you wanted to, rather than using magnets. And this one has got acetate fronts on these side folding flaps so that you can just pop your pictures in. I love that. And then the static holds them closed. That's the bridesmaid. And then we've got beautiful layout in the centre there to hold your pictures as well. And then flipping over, this one's got a nice deep pocket on the back with a large photo mat in. So let's just take the pictures out. This reminds me of the old photo albums you used to get when I was little, with those sort of semi-sticky pages that you lifted up. Oops. So that's a holder with the belly band. And then we've got a pocket holder, again with an acetate front at the top, pocket at the top, and a pocket at the bottom to put all sorts in. So again, a fabulous holder for lots and lots of ephemera and pictures. And then on the back of that one, I've just left the paper plain again, a nice solid area, but it can have a pocket on. So all of that we'll cover in the class. And then if you prefer to have an album style book with the inserts in, all of them will fit into an album using the dimensions of some of the pieces that we've cut for the box. So we will cover that in the class too. So it's a 2-for-1 project. I hope you like it. I hope you'd like to come and join the class and join me and like-minded crafters to make the project. You can join the class before the live event on the 18th and 19th of February, or you can buy it and follow along after the event. Access is unlimited once you've bought your place in the class, and then you can go back into the group and re-watch as many times as you like. So, thanks very much for watching. I hope you can join us, and I hope I've inspired you to craft with these gorgeous papers from Graphic 45. Thanks very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and hit that bell or subscribe, and you'll be kept up to date with new projects and products as they come out.